What is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. It's Dev. We're here. The Orville. Last on, I know it's been about a week or so, a couple weeks. I've been working a lot and it's been like tiring, you know. I just have no energy, no care. But right now we're back. The Orville. Last on. What happened? I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the old civilization that advanced so much that they became just practically gods. They don't work within the confines of space and time, and it's insane, actually. And it was a really good episode. I remembering it was pretty good. But nonetheless, let's get into episode 4 of season 3. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're back with the Orville. Let's get into it in 3, 2, 1.
The inevitable erosion of our ideals and our identity. Where will it end?
The xenophobia.
I will end this madness. And those responsible will pay for their treason.
Well, Talea. Exciting. Democracy, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see how this goes. Oh, wow. Annie. I love that. That's great.
In our culture, the sun is a symbol of suffering and death.
Yes, in retrospect, Oklahoma might have been a better choice.
Moments depicted a time of tremendous hardship in your history. For how long did your world endure this catastrophe?
The Great Depression. It lasted over a decade.
Sadly, those kind...
Once the details are finalized, I propose we sign the treaty in our glorious capital city of Dalakos.
Dalakos.
We will celebrate my reinstatement as Supreme Chancellor.
Now we'll see about that.
I've been meaning to ask you about that, if I may. You seem to be very certain of your victory.
My opponent is a divisive figure who exploits fear and ignorance.
Here's to your victory, Chancellor, and to a new era of long-lasting peace.
Hear, hear.
Hey. It's just a million ways to die in the West.
Mustache.
Oh my god, you had a mustache?
Oh yeah, it was amazing.
I thought Mocklins didn't grow facial hair.
Dr. Finn was able to stimulate growth.
The pub crawl through history is a classic in my family. My dad once made it from ancient Greece all the way to the water wars.
I gotta say, I've never understood the pub crawl. We're here, we're drinking, the booze is gonna be exactly the same at the next place. Let's just stay here, we're enjoying ourselves.
Hey, here's to your promotion, Lieutenant Commander Kiao.
Hey. Nice.
Best part is, I don't have to call you sir anymore.
It's fine by me. I kind of like hearing you use my name.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Wouldn't mind hearing it more often, actually.
Ah.
Tell me something.
Oh my god.
This town will not accommodate the numerical totality of our combined mass.
Oh.
Well, it was...
Go ahead.
I have Admiral Halsey on a Priority 1 channel for you and Commander Grayson.
We're on our way.
I've requested the Orville for transport duty.
Really?
You'll be among the first Union officers ever to set foot on Krill.
Sir, this is amazing. We're so grateful.
Don't be. You've earned it.
You'll head back to Earth immediately to pick up the delegation. Saddle up. You've got a long ride. Halsey out.
Hell yeah, dude.
It's unbelievable.
You know what the best part is?
What?
He had no idea we've been drinking.
This is a good day.
It is a good day.
Hell yeah. That's great.
Captain Mercer, so good to finally meet you.
The privilege is all mine, Mr. President.
And you must be Commander...
Okay, so this is the president.
Make no mistake. The outstretched hand of welcome will quickly become the fist of oppression.
Yikes.
Kill this treaty and reclaim our rightful place as the dominant force in this galaxy.
What?
Some from the other side, designed to discredit Talea, although they're not that different from her actual speeches.
How can you tell the difference?
Sometimes I can't. I asked the Chancellor, and he said they call it influence operation. Generating thousands of these things every second, trying to stoke outrage. Even the angry crowds are phony.
Deep fakes, man. God damn it, those fucking deep fakes.
Talea is inexperienced. She's a populist, not a politician. She's running on rhetoric and fire, so the Chancellor thinks that he's still a lock. Battle plans are only perfect until the fighting starts. I gotta believe that some version of that holds true for peace treaties.
Well, we got our own hands of either some. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know. Talea's movement's very reminiscent of stuff that we've seen from this point in time in our lifetime. Heavy populist movement gaining traction because of specific things.
3 Krill battle cruisers are closing on our position.
Boom, explosions, dead, you're done. Sorry, goodbye!
Captain, the shuttle has been cleared for departure.
We'll see you soon.
Go make some history.
This is gonna be fun. Surely nothing bad will happen. Surely there won't be a protest that leads to a bunch of violence. Oh my god, it's gonna lead to a January 6th level.
Sir, I'm happy to take the helm if you want.
You asking if I'm as sharp as I used to be?
No, sir. Not at all.
When I called you from Earth, I knew you and Kelly were drunk.
That's all. He knew. Got a little too cocky.
Join us for some cuspid cider.
No.
A Krill delicacy.
Alien delicacies.
Always a crapshoot.
Fantastic.
My God, could we get a case of this?
We take great pride in our cuspid crops. I will have some sent to your ship.
Oh, I love this.
The view was incredible from the shuttle. I hope we get to see more of it.
This is cool, man. This is sick.
Circle of clerics have conferred, and they are prepared to sanctify Talea as the Supreme Chancellor of Krill.
Supreme Chancellor Talea, you will come with us now.
This is heresy! Talea has not sworn her oath! She has no authority! I am Supreme Chancellor!
Stand by to fire on my command.
Aye, sir.
Bridge to engineering.
Lamar here.
John, execute Directive 21.
Sir, please confirm. Did you say 21?
Yes, have Dr. Finn assist you. Do it now.
Oh boy, what's that? Dude, the music is so good!
What if we tried an expanding helix maneuver?
Never heard of it.
That's because I just made it up.
Do it.
Do it. Hey. Maybe spinning will work. Uh-oh.
That it is my duty as Supreme Chancellor to see that justice is done.
Fucking public execution, man. That's tough.
Our time in this realm is finite, Captain. As you will soon learn. One can live it in the light of command, or in the darkness of servitude. I am glad we had the chance to talk one last time. What do you call it? Closure?
She really is evil. She'll have a realization at some point. Empathy will show. Oh, wow. Camouflage.
You will come with us.
Who are you?
All will be explained. Now move!
Revolutionaries.
Where is she?
She is yours.
What do you mean?
She is your daughter.
An intimate relationship with Talea.
Yes, I did, but...
You are her father. We have an informant in her security detail. The guards had orders to take you back to your ship.
Evidently, Captain. She still cares about you.
What a moment. I'm shocked. That's crazy, man. Holy, here we go.
Admiral Ozawa is hailing.
Put her through.
Status report, Commander.
No change, sir.
Leave us.
Leave us.
I've seen Anaya.
What?
Our daughter. I've seen her. I've talked to her.
You have been deceived. They were caught after terminating a life in the womb. Those who do so are brought to a facility like this one. Their DNA is extracted, and a genetic profile is used to create a simulation of the child that could have been. They may see the light.
Are you my mother? I would have loved so much to be with you. I wish you had not sent me away.
Jesus Christ, Talea. Is this the kind of world you want your daughter to grow up in? Our daughter.
Oh. That's so weird, man.
What's going on? Who are you? Reporting for duty, sir.
Commander Lamar?
That's just...
Directive 21. Look at this, dude. This looks great, man.
Race it to Ozawa. We have the delegation. I suggest we get the hell out of here.
Acknowledged. Ozawa to all ships. Disengage and retreat.
Set a course for Earth. Aye, sir.
I don't even know her. And I miss her. The treaty is dead. But we have to find a way to preserve some kind of peace.
You want to have breakfast with me?
Aww. Ah! What a show, dude. What a fucking show. So sick, man. So well made, so well done, so thought out. I love it. I fucking love it, man. The drama is real. The characters are great. Obviously, there's some lines of dialogue that are like whatever, but I'm not too upset. There's a lot of good moments too between Ed and Talia. That moment between Ed and Kelly, you know, hinting it's like, hey, they're getting back together. All of that, they look at each other and it's like she sees Ed and how much he cares about his own daughter. And she even said it herself that, you know, she wished they got that far. And then obviously Talia being up front with Commander Grayson, you know, like, I know how you are with Ed and blah blah blah, and I don't know, it's nice. What an episode though. It's crazy. Fascism. But right away, practically. Already doing public executions. The abortion thing, that's insane. Simulation of the child that you aborted, like, that's horrible. That's horrible. That's insane. Yeah. But a lot of great moments, a lot of awesome things this episode. All the music, the fight, the space battles, everything was so fucking sick. Space battles, the chase on the ground of the Krill, and seeing like kind of how the world looks. It's kind of like a Coruscant cyberpunk type shit. It's really cool. I fuck with it. It felt like I loved Ed's outfit with the fucking like big ass fucking trench coat cape looking ass. It looked like a Jedi or some like undercover bounty hunter, bounty hunter. It was so cool. It was so funny though. And then at the beginning of the episode with the Million Ways to Die in the West kind of thing, that's what it looked like. It was great. I love it. But no peace with the Krill. We'll see if that happens. But I would continue to talk, but Mandalorian is out now on Disney Plus, so I want to go and watch that. Sure, the discussion, we could probably get into it more, but obviously we kind of touched on the key points. Kelly and Ed probably getting back together. Ed has a fucking daughter, which is just insane. Insane. The Krill are Nazis, though. Or at least Talia. And, I mean, even they're or even, not even Nazis, just Christian nationalism. Which is, you know, not a good thing, I would say. But nonetheless, I love that episode. I appreciate Seth MacFarlane a lot. He's a guy that I look up to in terms of entertainment, humor. Like, I find him funny. I like his storytelling and the shit like the Orville or whatever it may be. I enjoy this quite a bit. And I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for daily videos every single day. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, and Instagram. And all the social medias down in the description below. And we'll catch ya for another video. Goodbye!